This is Ninja's attempt at the magic bullet. It's the Ninja Fit Blender. So it's a 700 watt push to blend. So there's actually no buttons on this whatsoever. Two 16-ounce cups with separate spout lids. So if you're taking a smoothie on the go, boom, you blend it, you take it, you put your lid on, you're good to go. And then it says Pro Extractor Blade. So I guess that's their attempt at the best technology to make a smoothie. You know, if you ever had a bad blender, it's very hard to make a smoothie. This one's 700 watts, which isn't bad. And it also comes with a 50 recipe cookbook. So let's see what comes inside. Right away, you have your manual and then your Ninja Fit cookbook. I love that. That's sweet. And it has a bunch of different recipes like soups and stuff too. So it's not just smoothies. Obviously a bunch of insides we don't like. We have our first cup. I'm going to show you guys this a little closer up so you can get a really good peek. We have our second cup with the blade in it. It looks like you only get one lid though. So that's a little disappointing. I hope there's another one in here. Oh, there is another lid. Perfect. I was a little worried it was going to be one lid, but you do have two of the Ninja Fit lids. I'll show you those super close up. And then you have the main unit, which I have to say is very heavy. And it has some, okay, I think this is good. I'm going to show you the inside because I think this is why this might be one of the better ones that are on the market. So let's get a little close up here so you guys can really see what this looks like. So a little bit more of a close up here. I want to show you again the Ninja Fit cookbook. You can see it's more than just smoothies. Great addition. Now I want to start with the lid. The lid really does screw on, and I look how indented the lid goes here when we screw it in, like how far inside. That should really help with no spilling. It is, the cross threading is not bad. It looks like it's going to be really easy to put on, and we can actually fill this up with some water to see how it works. Now, as for the top, you can see it just kind of snaps into place and then snaps back and rests there. Not bad. It doesn't really move either once you have it in that position. So pretty nice design overall. Now you do get two of those lids, like I pointed out, so nice little addition. We have the main blade here. Now this is what they mean by that extractor blade. Look how there's two main blades at the bottom, two blades pointing up, and then two of these more vicious blades. All that together should do a good job chomping and eating up frozen stuff like ice, fruit, etc. So really excited to see how that works. And then of course we have the 16-ounce cup. So you can see max fill is up to 16. It shows you the 8-ounce mark as well. And then they also put milliliters. So they put 200 and 400 milliliters in there. So that's what, pretty much 2 cups, pretty close, or it is 2 cups. It's very close to 2 cups. So nice addition. Now I want to show you the inside of this because this is what's interesting. Look at this kind of beveled part right here, this little stand here. If you've ever had these blenders before, these rubber talons, which this one is not rubber, they usually wear out. And that's where this part goes into and it kind of matches into to make sure the blade spins. Now, over time, these usually wear out, but I think this is going to help with the machine not moving as much. So I want to put it on and let's see how it fits. Decently long power cord too, which I love with kitchen appliances. So we can put it on. It locks into, does it lock into place? Okay, so it actually doesn't lock into place. It's literally, it goes on into place and we push down and we use it. So it's actually pretty easy and intuitive to use. Really simple design. Now I want to fill this up with water quick and let's see how waterproof it is. We got our lid on. So I want to see, is this thing going to open or is this going to stay shut? And I'm getting no leaking whatsoever. Some of the water is going into the threads there, but it looks like because of this rubber seal, there's no chance of it escaping. Now let's try a drink here. Not bad. I mean, I spilt because I'm messy, but honestly, it works pretty good. I really like this Ninja Fit Blender.